Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to feed your family or impress guests? This Panana 8-quart large air fryer is here to simplify your cooking, deliver mouth-watering meals, and save you time. This sleek, compact air fryer is packed with features that make it a must-have for busy households, food enthusiasts, and anyone craving healthier, hassle-free meals. In this 100% original review, we'll dive into why this family-sized air fryer is trending in 2025, explore its standout features, and show you why it's worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. Let's get cooking. Why the Panana 8-quart air fryer stands out. Air fryers have revolutionized home cooking, but the Panana 8-quart air fryer takes it to the next level. With its generous 8-quart capacity, one-touch digital presets, and dishwasher-safe nonstick basket, this appliance is designed to make your life easier while delivering crispy, delicious results. Whether you're preparing a weeknight dinner for the family or hosting a game day party, this air fryer combines versatility, convenience, and style in a compact package. But what makes this air fryer a game changer? It solves common cooking pain points: limited counter space, time-consuming cleanup, and the hassle of mastering complex recipes. With its intuitive touchscreen display and 8 preset cooking menus, even novice cooks can whip up restaurant-quality dishes with ease. Plus, its non-stick, dishwasher-safe design means you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Key features that make it a must-have. Let's break down the features that set the Panana 8-quart air fryer apart from the competition. 8-quart family-sized capacity. Feed a crowd with ease. This air fryer can handle large portions, from crispy fries for game night to a whole roasted chicken for Sunday dinner. Perfect for families of 4 to 6 or meal prepping for the week. 8 one-touch preset menus. Take the guesswork out of cooking. Choose from presets for fries, chicken, seafood, steak, and more. Each setting is optimized for perfect results, making it ideal for busy parents or novice cooks. Intuitive digital touchscreen. Adjust time and temperature with a tap. The user-friendly interface is responsive and easy to navigate, even with greasy fingers, ensuring precise control every time. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable basket's non-stick coating prevents food from sticking, and it's safe to pop in the dishwasher, saving you precious time. Compact yet stylish design. Don't let its large capacity fool you. This air fryer's sleek black finish and compact footprint make it a chic addition to any kitchen, even those with limited counter space. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. The Panana 8-quart air fryer isn't just about features, it's about the real-world benefits that make your life better. Healthier meals. Without sacrifice. Air frying uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, letting you enjoy crispy, golden foods without the guilt. From fries to wings, you'll savor the flavor while cutting calories. Time-saving convenience. With one-touch presets and rapid air circulation, meals cook faster than in a conventional oven. Spend less time in the kitchen and more with your loved ones. Effortless cleanup. The dishwasher-safe non-stick basket eliminates the need for scrubbing, making post-meal cleanup quick and stress-free. Who is this air fryer perfect for? The Panana 8-quart air fryer is designed for busy families. Its large capacity and preset menus make it easy to prepare healthy, delicious meals for kids and adults alike. Home entertainers. Impress guests with crispy appetizers or hearty mains, all cooked to perfection in one appliance. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with less oil, perfect for those prioritizing wellness without compromising taste. Small space dwellers. The compact design fits neatly on countertops, ideal for apartments or cozy kitchens. Why you should buy now. The Panana 8-quart air fryer is a game changer for anyone who wants to cook smarter, not harder. Its large capacity, one-touch presets, and easy cleanup make it a versatile tool that saves time, reduces oil use, and delivers delicious results. Whether you're feeding a family, hosting friends, or meal prepping for the week, this air fryer has you covered. Plus, its sleek black design adds a touch of modern flair to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.